Today we are looking at a Sudenga 750-pound small batch mixer. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt, all new bearings throughout. As you can see, the unit is very clean. We sandblasted, primed, and painted the inside of the mixing chamber. Unit has a racket pinion gate with this crank here. A little hard to do one-handed. Just simply crank this open. The mixer will clean out. Crank gets stored on the machine. Like I said, this is a 750-pound small batch mixer. It is single phase, 220 volt. Unit is in excellent condition, ready to go back to work. Pause the video here for further motor specs. This unit can be converted to 110 volt at the expense of the buyer. It could also be converted to 3-phase at the expense of the buyer. This is a very nice 750-pound capacity small batch mixer. This can be used in mineral, seed and feed, cover crop blending, and aggregate. Very, very nice machine, readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.